If the filling valve of your Dispensette S instrument is stuck in a closed position, it will be difficult to lift the piston and it will spring back into the original position. To correct this, unscrew the Dispensette S from the bottle and remove the filling tube, allowing it to drain back into the bottle. If a recirculation tube is present, that should be removed as well. To remove the filling valve, use the black calibrating and valve mounting tool to loosen the filling valve. Then complete the removal process with your fingers. Next, use a towelette to absorb any residual liquid. Then wrap the filling valve and shake it gently. You should be able to hear and feel the ball valve rattle inside the housing. If the ball valve does not move, use a small pipette tip to dislodge it from the valve seat. If you do not have a pipette tip, take care not to use anything that could scratch the ball valve. To ensure the valve is clean, soak or rinse it in an appropriate cleaning agent. To reinstall the filling valve, start threading it into the valve block by hand. Then complete the job using a black calibrating and valve mounting tool. Use only your thumb and forefingers to tighten the valve. Excess force can strip the threads. Once the valve is mounted, install the filling tube. If a recirculation tube is present, that should be installed as well. Then mount the instrument onto a bottle and prime for use. If you have additional questions, contact BRANDTECH Scientific Customer Service or log on to BRANDTECH.com.